So, oh my goodness, so this is what's happening to my laptop. I don't know what this is. Sometimes these things just come somewhere here a little bit at the center or here. Sometimes the screen just goes off completely black. I've not dropped the laptop, so this is sudden. In fact, it started doing this in the middle of editing a video on Premiere Pro. So please, if you know or if you think what could be the problem, let me know. Look. And when turning it on, this is how I normally turn it on. If it's going to go on, it should turn orange. Okay, so that means I've turned it on, so it's orange, but it shuts itself immediately and goes to white. Normally when I turn it on, it's orange, and I don't know.